Hi guys, so I'm with my Apple Watch Series 5. As you can see here, it is written 44mm Apple Watch Series 5 aluminum. So I'm gonna just unbox this watch and show what's inside, what is inside in its packaging, with how many bands it's come with, and how many things are in this box. So let's take this plastic wrap off. Done. So this will. I want to try this thing again. Oh, just open right in front of you, and there are Apple Watches and watches. That's nice. So here is the Apple band. Here's the Apple strap, or you can call it, I forget the name, sport band. This is a black color sport band. So here's the Apple Watch itself. So I'm gonna just open this watch, and here's the watch. Now before watch, let's see what we get inside. So here's a quick guide. We don't need this. Made in California, designed by Apple California. So here's the charger, and here's the adapter. With it comes with what is this? Let me check this out. I don't know how to even open this. Wait, I'll figure it out later on. This is the charger. Look. Wait. Yeah. It is a magnetic, so it will just stick like this, it won't fall. So, moment of truth. This is the watch. Check this thing out, guys. So, oh wait, I forgot something. Let me take out this, and this. Let's take this thing away. Oh, I don't know. First time I am unboxing this Apple Watch, so I don't know how to open this. Yeah, I figured it out. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Nice. So here's another quick guide. Oh, yes. I think so. I need small one, and I need this thing. I don't know how I am gonna wear. I think so, like this. I don't know how to put. Oh yes, done. Yeah. So booting this watch up. I think so. This one was wrong button. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Apple logo. Okay. So I think so it is not compatible with the iPhone 6. Let this watch boot up. We're waiting when this watch will boot up. Let me take out this watch. Okay. It is saying bring your iPhone closer to it. Oh wow. This was my first time, and this is really nice. Look. Cross. It says bring your phone closer, and this time I haven't shown it. English. No, back. What the hell I have done? Wait, let's go and watch. Start pairing. Okay, I will figure it out how to connect, then I will continue the video. Let's see you when I will be done with this.